In this video, we're going to continue topic 4.1, and we are going to look at example 1 and example 2. So example 1, the height of a sunflower in inches is measured over the course of 7 weeks. Use the table above to estimate h prime of 2, including units of measure. So in this one, we're not interpreting anything. All we have to do is include the units of measure. So we're just practicing that. Whenever we see something like h prime of 2, we know that that means the derivative. And we know that the derivative means slope. So what I'm doing is finding the slope between the 2 points. It's more algebra than its derivative, but you'll notice that I need 2. 2 isn't listed, so I'm going to take the points that are surrounding the 2 and find the derivative of those. So to get h prime of 2, and I'm going to write out a lot of notation on this so you understand where things are coming from. I need to find h of 3, meaning the y value at 3, minus h of 1, the y value at 1, all over the x value is 3 minus 1. Well, my y value at 3 is 25. My y value at 1 is 7. All over 3 minus 1 is 2. And then 25 minus 7 is 18 over 2, which equals 9. And then I'm going to take the units of y, which is inches, over the units of x, which is weeks. Remember, the rows are going to work the same. Whatever's in the first row is going to act like x. Whatever's in the second row is going to act like y. So we would say inches per week. All right, let's look at example 2. The number of cars that enter the parking lot of a grocery store at t hours after it opens is changing at a rate modeled by the function c prime of t. And again, this is a little bit different because it's already a rate, so it's already in derivative. Notice it's already got a prime on it. Where c prime of t is measured in cars per hour. So we're measured in cars per hour already. Look at that. Use the table above to approximate c double prime of 6, indicate units of measure. So we're actually having to approximate the second derivative. So I'm going to do the same idea, though. C double prime of 6 equals, since it's already in derivative, I'm going to figure out where 6 would be. It would be between 5 and 7. So I would find c of 7 minus c of 5. That means find the function evaluated those y values. That should be c prime over 7 minus 5. So c prime of 7's y value is 54. C prime's y value at 5 is 92, over 7 minus 5 is 2. 54 minus 92 equals negative 38 over 2, which equals negative 19. And then I have to do the units of y divided by the units of x. So it would be cars per hour per hour. So you could also write that as cars per hour squared is another way to write that.